guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So guys, for today's video, we're checking out this sleep mask, but this is more than just your typical sleep mask because this actually allows you to play music, audiobooks, podcasts. So it's basically your wireless headset in a sleeping mask. So I'm pretty curious to check this out. Washable, yes. Rechargeable, yes. Absorb sweat, yes. Breathe freely, yes. Timing function, yes. Hands-free calling, yes. Adjustable strap, yes. Well, I guess we're gonna have to put this thing to the test, aren't we, my friends? All right, so inside the box, we have a little manual. We have a carrying pouch. And we have a charging cable, which it actually looks pretty simple to charge. Oh yeah, that actually just goes in. So right here on the side, you guys have this little opening, and this is a charging cable. When you're not charging it, you can just stick it back in the side here and then cover it up. It is the old school charging style, so it's not a Type-C charging cable, but this just plugs into any USB outlet and it will charge it. So let's see, on the top, it's very smooth, like a fuzzy feeling on the top. On the bottom, it's more like a silk smooth feeling. Feels like there's memory foam inside here. So right around your eyes, it feels like memory foam. And on the top here, it's more like fuzzy. Here's the adjustable strap. It is Velcro, so you can make it however you want. Let's see, it looks like we got this tangled a little bit. There we go. All right, it feels like there's a speaker right here on the strap and also on the other side. On the front here, you have your minus, play, pause, plus. So you would press and hold the play button, which is the center. All right, and it says power on, and it's now lit up, flashing red and blue. So now what you do is you go and take your device, and under the settings, your Bluetooth settings, if you're doing an MP3 player, a cell phone, a tablet, whatever device you're using, open up your Bluetooth, click pair new device. All right, it found it. It's going to be BTFAA or something related. We're going to now click pair, allow it to pair. All right, it is now connected. It's now being controlled. So now let's go ahead and find a song here and let's test this out. Okay, let's go ahead. So it's probably going to work best without a hat. It does work with a hat, but it's definitely going to work best with a hat off. Oh yeah, I definitely hear it, so. All right, so the speakers are like right at your ears, but not right inside your ears, which makes it really good. It is definitely blacked out. So let's now go test the quality a little bit here. Adjust the strap. Oh, that's pretty easy to adjust it while it's on your head as well. So you're gonna have to learn your buttons. If you double tap the plus, it will skip to the next song. If you double tap the minus, it will go backwards. And then of course you got play and pause, and that controls your device. Yeah, it's comfortable. The audio is the speakers are good, so the audio is good. It's basically it's actually about 100% blackout. if you have your eyes open, you can see a little light at the bottom, but no light at the top or on the sides. Obviously, you're having your eyes closed, so you're not going to see any light. So it is full blackout with your eyes closed. You don't see any hint of light. Overall, these are definitely one of the higher quality sleep masks that I've ever reviewed. So I am impressed with them. They are definitely nice quality, soft, feel good, speakers good. Overall, impressive.